No matter what's occurred, regardless of what you have done, regardless of what you are going to do. I will always adore you. I declare it. I wished to let you know that whatever occurs, I will constantly think of you and the time we spend together, which are the most happy time. I would if I had the option do everything over again. Just to remain without sorrow. And in her smile, I see something more amazing in relation to the stars. It's another special thing to feel our duty toward that love. Also to feel someone is in love with you. I love you the way atmosphere is loved by a droning man. Also, it might ruin me to have you only a little. I am only in love with you, and I am not planning to deny myself the basic joy of saying by saying things that are true. I am in love with you and that I am aware that love is a cry to the wide. Which oblivion is unavoidable and that we are all doomed and that there will come a day when all our work would be returned to dust. And that I understand the sun will devour the whole world we will ever have, and I am in love with you. I never loved you than I do. Right this second, and I will never love you any less. I can simply just see you. I am in love with you. I understand that when I met with you, that there was something about you I wanted. It turned out that it was not something about you. It was only you. You are loved by me. Recall, they can't take it. I need everyone to meet with you. You are my favorite person of most time. There is not allocation or a time for love. That is true. In our pulse within our flashing throbbing minute, it occurs inadvertently. I desire to be the buddy you fall hopelessly in love with. I would like to be that farm of booty. The one that will memorize the contour of your lips when you say them together with what exactly you say. I would like to know where to touch you. I would like to understand the best way to touch you. I would like to understand, convince one to design me personally a smile. Yes, I do need to be your buddy. I am trusty in being your companion in the whole world. I capture you, but you have slipped under my skin. Invaded my blood, my heart, and I have understand that the Beatles got it wrong. Love is not all we want. Love is all there is. Love allows you to locate those areas that are hidden in somebody else. Even the ones they did not understand were there. Even the ones they did not have presumed to call amazing themselves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel.